economic life of Pakistan.
And you know, whole of central government administration is in West Pakistan. Capital, central administration, military installations, everything West Pakistan. Though East Pakistan, a 56% population, is still they are not getting any right in the central administration, economic field, and other fields. Naturally, East Pakistan people want that they should get this self-determination and this full regional autonomy. Only for defense, foreign affairs, and currency should be in the hands of central government, or the residuary power should go to the regions.
Now, when the leaders from Pakistan got together, Sheikh Mujib made the point, and that is the origins of the 6-point demand, that yes, we want democracy, but we also want regional autonomy. We want democracy, but we want it within a federal framework where there will be a substantial measure of regional autonomy. And 6 points was really the detailing out of a new federal scheme.
Mujib's political campaigns landed him in prison on numerous occasions.
এই 6 দফা মূলত ছিল স্বায়ত্তশাসনের দাবি, অটোনমি যাকে বলে। ছাত্র যুব সমাজ এবং নিউক্লিয়াসের পক্ষে দাবি ছিল, স্লোগান ছিল যে 6 দফা না হয় 1 দফা, যদি স্বায়ত্তশাসন না হয় তাহলে স্বাধীনতা।
That he would win in the end.
And behind the call.
Are you sure to win this cause?
Nobody can stop it.
Autonomy of East Pakistan?
Nobody can stop it. Autonomy? Oh, definitely. Who can stop my autonomy?
More than that. More than autonomy.
No question of this and that. I want my rights.
Emancipation.
I want my emancipation. I want that. I want to live like a free citizen of a free country.
You mean independence?
That I don't mean.
Yeah.
It can be done many ways.
Ultimately?
Ultimately, it can be done many ways. Slowly and slowly, by amicable settlement, by many ways it can be achieved.
And West Pakistan cannot do anything about it.
Who can do anything? 20 million people are united behind us.
Even with the army.
What damn army can do? We don't care for them. They can supply my people with bullets.
So you're already the chief of independent Bengal. De facto, not legally, but de facto.
What? I am representing the people of Bengal. Legally, morally, I am the man who can govern this country.